Hello guys, I have my 3 contactor delta connection with timer. One NC normally close stop, one NO start normally open, one timer 3 contactor. My supply only 220 coil, 220. Also 220 power. Start. I try start. His timer 10 seconds only after change. Star delta connection. Is going center contactor delta, going to A1 coil, A1 in another, this NO, this NC, this is NC going to another contactor star, A1, this A1 coil. Star delta connection. Stop. Start. Stop. Start. Stop. This timer counting 10 seconds. Start. Star delta connection. Okay, bye. Thank you. Please subscribe and like. Thank you, my friend.